My brothers and sisters, imagine those people who are suffering, what do they need from you? They need you firstly to be connected to Allah, to be able to feel the connection with them. If I see a creature walk past here, creature, say an animal, say a cat, say a dog, why would I care for the dog? There's a reason. I'm a Muslim, I worship Allah, I'm trying to please Allah. The same Allah I'm trying to impress created this dog. I need to make sure I'm not going to harm this creature of Allah. That's why the hadith speaks about a man who earned forgiveness because he was kind to a dog. A woman who earned forgiveness because she was kind to a cat. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. This is why, because Allah wants you to connect with Him so that you realize and understand who the rest of the people are. Today in the Ummah, we have differences with one another. At times, you have someone who goes to this masjid, that masjid, the other masjid. I tell you, one of the facts, yes, I believe I'm on the right path, but these are my brothers and sisters. I might disagree with them on 5 important matters, but I tell you what, I still consider them my brothers and sisters of the Shahada, come what may, because the enemy wants you and I to dispute in a way that we have no might, no power, no plan. They will destroy this. When they're done with this, they will destroy the other. While this one was being destroyed, everyone else was laughing, or they were saying they deserve it. I'm sure you've heard that sometimes, right? Because we just go to a different masjid. They say they deserved it. They did not deserve it. May Allah guide them and guide us and guide all of us. But we are all needed. We are part of an ummah. And this is why those who preach division are the ones who are far from Allah. Those who want to look at that which separates you and divides you without looking at the common factors. And I'm not belittling the differences of opinion, or I'm not saying that you have to all be right. I'm right. I don't want to belittle that. I believe so. Where I'm proven wrong, I will change it. I need to have the evidence. I need to know. I need to be convinced. But at the same time, I need to also realize as an ummah, we have differences. We will. Let's discuss them. Let's see in a respectful manner. And while discussing them, I still consider you my brother. You are still my sister. I still care for you, and I care for the whole ummah. That's the only way we will be able to protect one another. May Allah Almighty grant us goodness and ease.